In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change micro SD card on Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to properly remove and change the micro SD card on your Nintendo Switch. I'm going to teach you how to do it for the standard model, the OLED model, and also the Nintendo Switch Lite model. So you can pick whichever one you prefer. First, I want to make it very clear that you should power off your console. So if it is currently powered on, power it off before doing this. Very important. And you are going to avoid any sort of data corruption by doing this. Once it is powered off, make sure that your microSD card is compatible. And after you do this, you will be able to actually get it done. So first, if you have the OLED switch, first take the cover away. So you will be able to gently swing the adjustable stand open, and this will highlight the micro SD slot, as you can see on the bottom left right behind the cover. Now, ensure that the micro SD card is properly positioned with the label facing away from the console. It should be facing towards you. Insert the micro SD card into the slot and gently push it down until it clicks into place. So you can place it against the switch, and then as the arrow shows here, you will be able to insert it into position. Make sure that you follow this orientation here. There will be a little icon showing you how to properly place it. And as long as you follow the instructions, you will be able to place it just like requested with the label facing towards you. Now when you power on the switch, it is going to be detected. Now if you have the other models, so the standard one and the Nintendo Switch Lite, for the standard one, it is going to be right underneath this cover here at the left. So pull this cover up, or the stand, and then you will be able to find that at the bottom. Once again, make sure that the label is facing away, and you will be able to insert it or slide into place. With the label facing away from the console, you just insert it there and gently push it down. There's going to be a click. And it's essentially the same thing with the Nintendo Switch Lite. The actual port is going to be exposed, so you don't have to pull away any sort of stand or cover, and you once again just slide it into place until it clicks with the label facing upwards. I hope I was able to help you on how to change micro SD card on Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.